Yeah, you're under arrest.
Oh, come on.
A routine traffic stop takes an unexpected turn when a 62-year-old rider begs deputies not to arrest him.
I've been doing so good lately.
Moments later, the reason becomes clear. Deputies pull over a motorcycle for a license plate irregularity. The rider provides paperwork that doesn't match the bike.
Then he stole my tag apparently, because that's Peter's tag.
So let me get this straight.
I have a tag.
Right, that tag. So you're telling me that you didn't register this motorcycle.
No, I put my
You put a different Harley Davidson tag on it.
Yes.
You're driving it around for the past 6 months to a year.
No, I haven't been driving. I don't have a truck right now. My truck, the rear is up on it. So I'm not going to jail, am I?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Oh, come on.
Turn around.
Come on, please.
Well, I mean, if you're operating, it's just a misdemeanor right now. This is just an operating an unregistered motor vehicle. I mean, like, this isn't, I mean,
For that, please
I'm just
don't
here,
take me to jail.
I can't tell this man
Sir,
that he can't make an arrest on a crime.
Put your hands together like you're praying. Like you're praying. All right, you got this jacket on, all right, and it's going to be kind of hard.
Please don't take me to jail.
Don't tense up,
Why am I going
Dave.
to jail? What'd I do?
Operating an unregistered motor vehicle.
Well, is that against the, I mean,
It is a misdemeanor. It's a
please don't
secondary
take me to
misdemeanor.
jail.
Stop.
For that, please don't let him do this to me. I've been doing so good lately. Please. For that, please don't let him do this. For that, please.
I mean, I can't tell the man that he can't make an arrest when a crime has occurred.
Please.
Is there anything else going to poke him, stick him, stab him?
No, it isn't. Got
Any?
in this pocket, there's a gun on the inside here.
Okay.
Please don't take me to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Please.
You're a grown man.
Please, I don't want to go to jail.
You're driving an unregistered motorcycle.
Please.
Okay, we just can't be doing whatever we want.
I know, but I'm not doing whatever I just want.
You are doing something.
Don't
That's a crime.
left right there. Please don't do this to me.
Let me take the helmet off. I don't want to get headbutted.
Please don't take me to jail. This guy.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that I safely remove it out of here.
That's it. That's all I have. Please don't take me to jail for that.
Is there any other firearms?
No, man, there's not. It's nothing.
Stand up. I gotta check this other inside pocket, alright? Just to make sure there's no firearm in this one.
There's not.
What's in this back there?
Deputies recovered a bag containing suspected fentanyl. The rider was charged with trafficking in a controlled substance, carrying a concealed firearm during a felony, operating an unregistered motorcycle, and attaching an unassigned tag.
I'm gonna say it looks over 4 grams to me, but we gotta weigh it to confirm it. If it's under, then it's under. If it's over, then...
For a 62-year-old who said he had been doing so good lately, this stop became a reminder that choices on the street don't come with age exemptions. Even a minor violation can expose the bigger risks someone is carrying.
Can I put your cuffs in front of me?
No, we can't. It's our policy. We have to keep them in the back. Let me take my scale real quick so we know.
This incident now moves through the court system. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing for more policing activities from across the nation, and help us continue bringing vital incidents from the streets to your screen.